Today, we've got our top 3 biohacks that are completely free that you can use to optimize your health and well-being. And first up, we've got the power of sleep, which is consistently shown to have a huge impact on our health and well-being, enabling repair, recovery, enhancing memory, and reducing risk of chronic disease. 3 simple ways that you can optimize your sleep are by making sure you go to bed at a regular time each day, thereby balancing your circadian rhythm, keep a very cool bedroom, and remove electrical devices from in and around your bed. And next up, we've got intermittent fasting, which is not about starving, but about giving your body more time in between meals. And the one way you can try to incorporate this is by gradually, over a period of time, increasing the gap between meals. Research has shown that up to 16 hours is a great way to start activating some of the longer term benefits, and above this you might start to activate autophagy, which has really been shown to have promising effects on longevity. And number 3, we've got mindfulness and meditation. The science is clear on this. Meditation and mindfulness help decrease stress, improve cognitive function, and improve parasympathetic nervous tone. And decreasing stress is one of the biggest contributors to long-term risk for chronic disease. So even just incorporating 5 or 10 minutes of meditation or mindfulness to your daily practice can have a huge impact on your health and well-being. So that's our 3 biohacks. They're nothing fancy, it just takes time and dedication to get them done. There's many gadgets and other things out there that you can do which can give you an extra benefit here and there, but really taking it back to basics is what's important.